My name is Eric Puttler, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon with subspecialty training in orthopedic trauma. And I practice out of Rainier Orthopedics in Puyallup, Washington, part of Proliance surgeons. So I have a general orthopedic practice. I see patients with all kinds of orthopedic complaints, musculoskeletal complaints to include acute injuries and chronic problems, specializing mostly in hip and knee as well as shoulder problems, but also any sort of traumatic injury or acute injury. I grew up in Southern California. I went to college at University of California, Santa Barbara on the beach, and then went to the East Coast for medical school and joined the military through medical school and served in the Army for several years, and I trained in orthopedic surgery at Madigan Army Medical Center at Fort Lewis, Washington, and then went on to subspecialty training at orthopedic trauma at Harborview Medical Center in Seattle. I have a special interest in anterior approach total hip arthroplasty. I think it's a bit of a subspecialty area in hip replacement. Not everybody does an anterior approach. I've taken the time to learn those techniques because I think there's an advantage to my patients. Primarily less traumatic surgery and earlier recovery with no trade-off for long-term outcome. In fact, I think it has some improved long-term outcomes. One of my overarching philosophies of care is I really try to treat all patients with dignity and respect. I try to really listen to the patient when we first meet and understand what their problem is. It really opens up communications and it really leads to optimum care for all patients, whether or not it's an acute injury or major problem or a small issue.